3-vehicle crash sparks fresh calls for something to be done about Long Hill Road in St. James. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, Manchester has highest reported domestic violence-related murders. Police concerned, and the developers promise to improve storm drain network in St. Catherine capital with new commercial complex. There's also Saturday Sports special in this newscast and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. Well, there's no feedback question, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.